God is saying to you today, my dear child, a simple act of kindness can brighten someone's day in ways you may not even realize. When someone is feeling lost or burdened, a gentle word or kind gesture can offer them strength. Compassion and warmth remind others that they are not alone, even when they feel isolated. A small act with a smile, a kind word, or a listening ear can bring comfort and hope to those who need it most. Never underestimate the power of kindness. It can heal hearts, uplift spirits, and create a ripple of goodness in the world.